Girl, dropping lashes. We drop asses, not lashes. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, then girl, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead. I'ma wait. That should have been long enough. As you can read by the title of the video, this video is going to be a haul on some faux mink lashes that I got from AliExpress. And I used to spend so much money on mink lashes. I used to buy from Flutter Lashes, and that was so, like, I was just so in love with them. I used to drop that $30 religiously, okay? And I wasn't mad because they were so soft and so pretty, and they lasted for like 30 days, so I wasn't mad at that at all. And then I scrolled upon these, honey, and I was like, let me just try them, right? So I bought a pair, and I was in love. Like, they aren't as soft as mink, because it's not real mink, it's like faux mink. They're softer than the ones in the beauty supply store, honey. So if you wear the ones in the beauty supply store, then they're softer than those, so you won't be disappointed either. I'm just gonna show you what I got. I got like 12 or 14 different pair of lashes. The link for the store that I purchased directly from will be in the description box, as well as the makeup tutorial video for this look if you're interested in that. Without further ado, let me just get on into it. I feel like I'm rambling, girl. Okay, so first I'm gonna spit my gum out. Ew. Okay. Second, this is the packaging it came in. Girl, is my address on here? It is. Look at me. Look at me slipping. This is the packaging it came in. Just a little bubble wrap, little plastic envelope thing. They come, of course, individually wrapped in these little glass cases or plastic. I don't know if it's glass or plastic, child. So the first pair I'm gonna show you are the ones that I actually am wearing. Please focus, girl, please. Okay, thank you. So this is the first pair that I have on. It's a very long lash, if you can see. I don't know, it's kind of hard to show you the lash while it's on my eye, but this pair is A15, and yeah, they're just dramatic AF, and I love them because I'm dramatic AF, and they just fit, like they're like my spirit animal. The next pair is the A17, and I've already worn these once. It's a very thick lash. It's long. It's beautiful. Okay, so the next pair, child, they're very thick. Like, if you like the long black China Tokyo Tony type lashes, then the A14 is going to be for you. These girls here are very, very, very thick. These are Snuffleupagus type lashes, and yeah, they're very pretty. I don't know if I'll be wearing them, honestly, because I don't wear thick lashes. Like, I like my lashes long, and I like my lashes all spidery, honey, and dramatic, but I don't wear super thick lashes, so I don't know if I'll be wearing that pair. But I'm sure I know somebody who will want them, so they won't go to waste. And then anyway, it was just $2 little. So I mean, I'm not balling or nothing, but I could spare $2. All right, so the next pair, focus, girl. The next pair is D21. That's the style number, and they're very pretty as well. The inner corner starts out thinner. Look at my cuticle. The inner corner starts out thinner and shorter, and then it like thickens up and gets longer towards the end, and they are very pretty on. They really complement wing liners like peanut butter compliments jelly. We have now the 3D08, which is like, I think it's probably my favorite style. They're long, but they're not as long as the ones that I'm wearing and some of the others, but they're very wispy. It's like a mink version of the Demi Wispies by Ardell, if you really like those. A lot of people do. Yeah, they're very pretty. They're a little thinner and a little shorter, but they're still really, really pretty. So that was 3D08, and this one is just D08. And they're almost like, it's the same style, like the same shape, the whole same look, except these are like extra. Like, these are more dramatic, and they're more full, and yeah, it's just like, it's like the bigger badder sister. Alright, so these are the D05, and they're similar, very similar to the D08s, but they curl up a little bit more. So to give you more of like a, like this, like I don't know how to do it. Let me take one out to show you what I'm talking about, because clearly I'm not doing well at explaining. So this is the lash, and you see how like they are so long, they curl up, and it like curls up. That's what I meant, like it curls dramatically. But I love it. It's gonna be beautiful on the eye. That's my type of lash, honey. I like a curled up, spider leg type lash. Our next lash is A06, and these lashes, pretty much all of the ones that I've shown you up till now and the ones that I have on, like the lash fibers or hairs or whatever are not the same length. It's like short ones mixed with long ones. This is kind of like that, but they all, I mean, it's like that, but it looks like they're about the same length. And they're not as long as the others, but they're still very pretty, very wearable. A12 is the next style of lash, and it's very similar to the ones, the D21s that start out like thinner and shorter towards the inner corner, and then they flare out with length and like density and thickness towards the ends. The only difference that I see, oh my god, these are beautiful. The only difference that I see is that they have that dramatic curl, like they curl up really, really pretty. And they're just, oh my god, I love these. I want to put them on right now. Like, I gotta order me some more of these, honey. Look at this. Oh, this is the lash. Like, it curls up very far, and it's so pretty. If you can tell, it's thinner on the inner corner, and then it gets long on the outer corner. They're not too long, but that is beautiful. Like, that is beautiful. Dang. Focus. They are absolutely stunning, child. These little lashes giving me a high, honey. I love a good lash. I'm so nice. May everybody type. Goddamn right. I'm so nice. Jesus Christ. I'm better than my husband. I give you life. A21 is a very long, dramatic lash. It looks a lot like this one that I have on, but it's a lot more, it's longer than this. And it's a little thick. Well, it's a lot thicker. It ain't a little thicker. But yeah, these are them. These are those. Aren't they beautiful? Like, oh my god. Yeah, see how pretty those are? Like, those are beautiful. Okay, so the next to last lash is D03. And these are like a very basic, like plain, not so dramatic, not so glam look. It's like, I guess if you wanted to do like a no makeup look, these will go great with that. Or just an everyday, you don't want to do too much makeup. Or shit, you might be able to wear them bareface. They're very, very practical everyday lashes. They look a little thin on camera, but they're still very pretty. I mean, I probably won't be ordering this style again just because I like my lashes a lot thicker, but you may not. I mean, if that's your style, or if you want to even incorporate just some lashes you could do when you don't want to do too much, go get them. D03. And last but not least, D20 is our last and final lash. And here she is. This lash is a lot shorter. This is probably the shortest lash that I've shown. Definitely the shortest. But they're very pretty. They are a little less dramatic than the other styles, but they are still very beautiful. A little less curved, but they do have the curve, as you can tell. Very pretty. So that is it for my lash haul. I hope you liked it. I hope you saw some styles that you liked. I definitely love them. I've been purchasing them for a couple, probably a year now, and I have yet to be disappointed. With this particular store, it's always just consistent. They're always very beautiful. None of them come defective or damaged or weird or bent and ugly. Shipping does take a little bit, not too bad. It's 12 days actually. For me, it's 12 days because of course they do come from China. They're definitely a great investment. I mean, they're like $2, maybe $2.20, $2.50 a piece. I order like 10 at a time and spend less than I would on one pair of real Mink lashes. They're beautiful. I have no complaints. They last forever. The band is tough. Like, They literally are so much like the more expensive Flutter lashes. The only difference is the real mink lashes feel a little different because they are real mink and it's very, very soft. But these are still very, very soft too. Like, don't get it twisted. They're very, very soft still. And I'm gonna just end it here because I feel like I'm rambling. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button on your way out. And I will see you in the next one. Peace.